Let us make pork Lumpiang Shanghai. Here are the ingredients we need. Ground pork, onion, garlic, carrot, parsley, black pepper, salt, egg, and sesame oil. We just have to mix this well. Place one lumpia wrapper on a huge plate. Scoop portion of the meat mixture, then place on our lumpia wrapper. Brush it at the edge of the lumpia wrapper. Once ready, we may now fry this. Make sure that cooking oil is not that hot, so our lumpia will be cooked from the inside. Prefer this to cook on a medium heat. Let us now serve this our Lumpiang Shanghai.